shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Do that again.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my welcome back to my channel. This is my first upload. So excited to get this started. Started. Hey, okay. Anyway,
That's okay if that's not more.
Of course you gotta have background noise because they just want to be included without being in the frame. But today's video is gonna be all about this 2-week-old mess. Okay, so here's the ingredients, products, not ingredients, products that I used. You can probably find all of them in your local beauty supply store. So here I'm just putting my hair up just to get it out the way. I decided that I wasn't going to take my Not Your Mother's dry shampoo and do it all over my head, and I'm just gonna do the front part that I'm gonna refresh because I can't see the back and I didn't want to miss a few white areas in the back of my head. So again, I'm just using my clips to separate it out of where I want to start. And so I start by spraying the dry shampoo, rub it in with my finger. And the reason I use dry shampoo instead of regular shampoo is because I did not want the soap to stay stuck into my hair. And I did use my water bottle with a little bit of water and kind of pat it out, rub it out as well. The dry shampoo said on the bottle, on the can, that it would get rid of some of the oils, and so that was the whole point of using dry shampoo instead of regular shampoo in a bottle mixed with water. And we had a little cameo over there from Sassy Sour Patch. She's very sassy and such a Sour Patch. I take my Shine and Jam and I go ahead and put it on my hair first before I spray my Waji, if I'm saying that correctly. Not sure if I'm saying that correctly. But before I take my protective spray, I did not want to put too much on my hair because my hair was already dirty and I didn't want a lot of product buildup when I do take this out in 2 weeks. And here you can, see me just putting the twist back on. I braid it down first. I had to redo it because I did it too far back and I want it closer to my hairline and not too far back. But yeah, so I just braided on. I'm not going to go into detail of doing this because I'm going to do another video in the near future. So stay tuned of me doing spring twists of my whole head. And it's going to be a different color, not these ones. But yeah, after I get the tangles out, this is exactly why I did not want to wash my hair all the way. And I did the dry shampoo method. It's because the hair tangles because it's synthetic. But yeah, I get what I could of the tangles out, and then I use my clip to clip it down so that it wouldn't mess up. I do have gel on my fingers, and you have to make sure you're twisting the right way. As you can see, I was twisting the wrong way here, and so I ended up twisting the wrong way, and I naturally twist the opposite way than how I'm supposed to twist for the spring twist. So you're supposed to twist towards the right, and I naturally twist towards the left. But yeah, so you just twist it all the way down. And that's just me showing you how I twist to the end and keep the spiral. But yeah, see, it doesn't look as bad as it did. And yeah, I'm going to let this play out and come back towards the end. But I'm just literally doing the same steps all the way out. And I'm only going to show like the right side of my head. I'm not showing the other side of my head just because I'm literally doing the same thing. So it defeats the purpose of showing it. But I will say I did start my YouTube page because I wanted to, well, I've been had it. I just wanted to start doing videos because I love hair. I love everything about hair. As you can see in the background, I got wigs on wigs on wigs. I do make my own wigs as well. I've been doing it for a while. It's just like a hidden talent that I don't usually showcase because of my own self-confidence. Although I have been told that I'm good at it, I just haven't been, showcasing it as much. And I decided to get out of my own comfort zone, get out of my extrovertness, introvertness, and be a little extrovert by making these videos. So there's more videos to come. Keep watching. Stay tuned. There go another cameo as well. My little Sour Patch. She's so sweet. Go on to her page, Sassy Sour Patch. You can see her first video of her fourth tooth, her second top tooth being removed by me. It's pretty funny. So y'all should go over there and head out. You see me talking in this video. I'm over here talking to my cousin. Shout out to my cousin Donnie. She's a realtor down there in the ATL. So if y'all looking to buy a house, head over to her IG page, Donnie Dunn on IG. So yeah. Okay, and here you could just see me getting up some of the flakes. Some of it is product buildup. Some of it is literally dry skin from my scalp. I naturally have dry skin on my scalp. I naturally have dry hair. So, and my hair texture is kinky curly 4Z. I don't say 4Z because I feel like my curl is as tight as it gets. any white you see on the other side that I haven't done, I do end up getting it out. It's just I needed to add more water and to rub it in a little bit more for it to come all the way out. And at the very end, when I come back with the final product, final look, the white that you see there is from the Boost Gel. Not a big fan of that, but you can just see me using it. Hey guys, okay, so here's the final look. I moisturized it with oil and some calming itch scalp, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So let me know in the comments what you think. Like and subscribe my channel, and look forward to more videos.